Hello, my friend. My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 16. And without wasting any more of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Define fitness in the evolutionary sense. Fitness is the rate of survival and reproduction relative to the individuals in the population. Movement of individuals from one population to another can change the allele frequency. Migration, or what we call gene flow. Random changes in allele frequency that are not a result of fitness. Genetic drift. This involves interaction with the environment. This force can lead to organisms with better fitness. Natural selection. Why can't natural selection produce perfectly adapted organisms? One, environments are constantly changing. Two, every trait has costs and benefits. 3. There must be genetic variation for the trait. If not, there is nothing for natural selection to work with. Fourth, natural selection works on the entire phenotype of an organism. Why do deleterious alleles remain in the gene pool? If an allele small b that confers lower fitness, so being called a deleterious, is recessive, it will not affect the phenotype of a heterozygote with capital B and small b. The small b allele can be transmitted to progeny and remain in the gene pool of the population. Why do males and females of certain species differ in their appearance? Sexual selection of mates can create this sexual dimorphism. This can be the result of females choosing males or of males fighting each other for access to females. What is a homeotic gene? Regulatory genes that control development of bodies, body segments, limbs, and organs. What role could homeotic gene have in evolution? A single change in one of these genes can cause a major change in body plans. For example, wings or not. A single mutation in one of these homeotic genes could cause a major change in phenotype. True or false? Evolution of aquos, which is a horse species, has been directed to creating the best foot, that is one toed, and eliminating the inferior three-toed foot. It is false. Evolution of horses has occurred over millions of years and in a variety of environments. Natural selection reflects the environment of each population at each time. A short burst of evolutionary activity in which many new life forms develop in a brief span of time from a single ancestor. Adaptive radiation. Structures that share a common function but not necessarily a common origin. Analogous structures. Any unpredictable and natural process of descent over time with genetic modification. Evolution. It is influenced by natural selection, chance, historical events, and changing environment. Map that illustrates evolutionary change and relationship between life forms. Evolutionary tree. The loss of a particular life form completely. extinction. Preserved remnant of an organism. Fossil. The fossil record is one of our richest sources of information about life forms that lived in the past. The physical movement of alleles caused by movement of individuals into immigration or out of emigration, a population. Gene flow. It tends to mix pools of genes that might not otherwise mingle. Random changes in allele frequency because of chance event. Genetic drift. Body structures that share a common origin. Homologous structures. Large-scale evolutionary trends or changes that apply to whole or groups of species, often as a result of changing environments or major historical events. Macroevolution. Individuals with traits that make them more fit for their local environments tend to survive and reproduce. Natural selection. Most changes in allele frequency in a population are the result of mutations coupled with natural selection. A group of individuals of the same species that occupy the same geographical area and interact with each other. Population. Dear friends, thank you for visiting Human Biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.